So these are the ingredients we are going to be using. Here I have 2 pounds of agujas norteñas. That is just a cut of meat that is called at my local meat market. But typically in a carne asada, it is just a thinly sliced grilled piece of meat. Very popular meats that are used is flank steak or skirt steak. Then here I have some cilantro. I have 2 oranges here. You can use any kind of oranges that you like or is your preferred choice. But one thing I do prefer are the key limes. Just when you're picking them out, make sure they're really nice and juicy. And then here I have 1 yellow onion, and then here I have some green onions. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a bowl just like this. I already went ahead and cut up 1 orange. So we're going to go ahead and cut up all the citrus, just like that. And we're just going to squeeze them in to our bowl. Try to get out as much juice as we can. Now we're going to cut up our little limes. Now how many you need is different every time. Let's go ahead and just cut them up, and I'm going to show you how I use the limes. Alright, now we're going to grab our cilantro. We're just going to take off the leaves. Put that in there. Now we're not going to use all of them. We're going to go ahead and keep out 2 of these big ones. We're going to use the bulb of it. Just like that, in 2 big chunks. And these are just going to be cut. Just like that. Smells good. And now we're going to grab some salt. Some pepper. We'll grab a spoon. This is where I put the meat in there, and I get the limes, and I like to rub the limes onto the meat, you see? Just like that. So I'm going to grab the salt, and we're going to put some salt on it. Just like that. Okay. Now we're going to grab the other piece of meat, layer it on top, and we're going to do the same thing to it. Okay. Now after we've done that, so you see, okay, after we've done that, now we're going to grab that marinade that we made. Okay. We're going to pour it on there like this. You see? Just like that. So you want to kind of layer it in there. Get all the juices. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cover this up either with some foil or some clear plastic wrap, whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to go ahead and let this marinate. You can marinate for 30 minutes up until the time that you're ready to cook this. I recommend that if you're going to do this, kind of want to start it maybe about 3 hours before your grill time. So now onto the yellow onion. We're going to go ahead and cut this in half. Just like this. Go ahead and take off the outer shell. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut them halfway, just like that. And then we're going to cut them down the middle like this. Oops. So now what you've done is you've made like little rings of onion. They're going to cook down anyway, so it doesn't matter how you cut it. Now you're going to grab a piece of foil, and you're going to put them in here, like that. Kind of make like a little bowl in it. And then you're going to heavily salt and pepper this. Okay, and then you're gonna grab some oil, whatever oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use regular vegetable oil. Okay, and we're gonna just give it a little mix. All right, so you want to go ahead and just seal this up, just like that. And basically, this is gonna be like grilled onions as one of the toppings for the tacos when we are done. So I have this ready. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it into the fridge. And I have my meat marinating in the fridge, so I'll go ahead and show you the next step when. So here's our carne asada. This is how it looks when it comes off the pit. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and dice it up like this, like the way I did, or you can have it in strips like this. So this is how it looks when it comes out, and I'm going to show you how we put them together. So basically when you make this, it moves pretty quickly. This is something you do outside. You have everything ready. We have this is one of the condiments for the sides, which is just cut up white onion and some more cilantro. And then you saw my husband grilling the onions. These are the onions we put in the foil. And then of course some of that cut up lime. And then we have our tortillas. Okay, so this is how you serve it, okay? So you're gonna grab your tortillas. You're gonna lay them all out on a plate. Okay, we'll do 4 for today, okay? So then what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some of that meat. We're gonna go ahead and go with the diced meat. However much you wanna add. Basically, this is something that you put it all out together. You put it all out and everybody kind of serves themselves. Okay, so you're gonna grab a lime. And you're gonna squeeze it on there, just like this. Okay, I like to add more salt. Like that. And then we're gonna add some grilled onion. Just like that. And then we're going to add some cilantro. Just like that. And then you can add some white onion on top. We'll add them on a couple because I really don't care for it. Just like that. And you can squeeze some more of that lime juice. And then you can add your favorite salsa. This is the guacamole salsa. So I'm going to go ahead and add it on mine. Alright guys, so this right here is my carne asada. I hope you guys give it a try. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me down below. It's really not hard at all. It's really easy to put together, and it's a great crowd pleaser. So go ahead and give it a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.